Hi loves, welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to show you how to preserve your aloe vera gel for a long-term use to avoid this happening to you. This happened because I got my aloe vera and I didn't have the time to get the gel out of the leaf. I also mentioned it in my aloe vera video a few days ago. If you haven't watched it yet, I will leave it down below so you can go and check it out. Cut that part away. Then after that, you're gonna scoop out the gel from the aloe vera leaf, as you can see me doing here. After that, you're going to grab a clean jar. So I normally blend my aloe vera gel before storing it, but according to my research says that by preserving your aloe vera gel, you don't have to blend the gel. You just have to store it in the jar and put it in the freezer the way it is. Don't blend it at all. Just place it in your jar the way you are seeing me doing here and put it in the freezer. All you need to do when you are ready to use it is take the aloe vera gel out of the freezer, let it defrost, go ahead, blend it, and it's ready to use. Because by the time you blend the aloe vera gel before putting it in the freezer, the aloe vera is going to lose the nutrients, and you don't want that to happen to your aloe vera gel. You still want the aloe vera gel to obtain the good property and the nutrients. So just gonna place it like this and put it in the freezer. If this is your first time stopping by my channel, you are highly welcome. Please, before you leave, don't forget to join the family because it is free. For my new and returning subscribers, thank you so much. I do appreciate you guys for supporting me, and welcome back. So guys, this is it. It is so simple. Did you guys see that? This is the best way to preserve your aloe vera gel for a long-term use according to my research. Yeah. So this jar is some of my jam jar that I normally keep. If you guys want to know how I take out the label from the jar to make it look nice like this, leave your comment down below. I will be so happy to film that for you guys. So yeah, as you guys can see, it is so simple and easy, and this is the best way to preserve your aloe vera gel for a long-term use. I believe you enjoy watching this video. I thought somebody will find it helpful, so I decided to film this for you guys because I like sharing. I don't like keeping things that other people can find helpful to myself. So yeah, this is it. I believe you enjoy watching. Don't forget to give me a thumbs up, and I will see you soon. Bye.